राष्ट्रीय एकता दिवस नेशनल यूनिटी डे और सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल लगा 158th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी डे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया लगा डायरेक्टिव प्रा मकोकचुंग देवी एक्टिविटीज खान ऊपर 31 प्रा नवंबर 25 तक चुलीगिना जवलेसी मकोकचुंग डीसी अजित कुमार वर्मा एमएमसी सीईओ अत्सुंगबा वालिंग और एडिशनल एसपी वाई तुम छोबे मोयांथान प्रा फ्राइडे डे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से जनाइशे मकोकचुंग पुलिस प्रा ऑर्गेनाइज कुरिया आजी लुआ रन फॉर यूनिटी मैराथन प्रा शुरू करिशे एडीसी अत्सुंगा वालिंग प्रा जनाइशे नवंबर 6-7 बजे लोकल टाइम दे फर्स्ट यूनिटी बूट मार्च थाकिबो कुंदु टाउन हॉल प्रा इमकोंग मेरिन स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स तक जाबो सेकेंड पथ यात्रा दो नवंबर 24 नहवेलिवी 25 से थाकिबो चीफ मेडिकल ऑफिसर प्रा 5टा हेल्थ कैम्प लोबले आसे और डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशन ऑफिसर प्रा सेमिनार्स वर्कशॉप्स डिबेट्स और अलग अलग एक्टिविटीज 20टा स्कूल दे लोबले आसे आहेबी की एक्टिविटीज थाकिबो इतु लगा आरो भी जानकारी लोबो
Good afternoon everyone. Thanks all the respected member of media fraternity, members from press club, officials from DPRO office, all the members. I welcome all the members to this press conference. We have convened this press conference especially in the line of the direction received to conduct various kind of activities to celebrate the Rashtriya Ekta Divas and other activities also that are in line with the national level campaign that is organized in the various districts. So if we talk about the background, today is the 31st October, that is the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister, who was very much instrumental in unification of more than 550 princely states, and because of that today we are having the United Nation, United India, that is the Union of States, the federal structure we are having. In addition to that, he has very much other contribution in history, especially his role in the leadership in the freedom struggle during the movement of Kheda in Gujarat, and the role of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in you can say the mobilization and constitution of All India services, which are playing very important role in running the administration in the various part of the country. So in that line we have received the instruction from Government of Nagaland as well as Government of India that is starting from 31st October 2025 till 25th November 2025 there will be line of activities that will be conducted by the different departments and the stakeholders, so that the event could be organized in befitting manner and we as a nation can organize and celebrate the unity of the country. So in that line, the first and the most important thing is the Padyatra. Padyatra is a walk on foot by the number of people around 400-500, and they will start from one point to important point of the district and they will culminate to the other point of the district to show the unity in respect of the district, and that same kind of activity is organized in the various districts of the country. So first of all, there was a committee organized at the district level under the chairmanship of Deputy Commissioner, and in this regard we have already conducted first meeting on 28th October. That was a consultative meeting with the various members, that was including Senior SP, CEO of MMC, District Education Officer, District Youth Officer, District Coordinator Bharat Scout and Guides, NSS Coordinator, NCC, and most importantly to ensure the participation of the public, our Shendan President Boss Mungdang and President AKM was there. So all the aspects were discussed, and accordingly we have come up with the district level plan wherein we will organize different activities on the different days. That has also been decided, and today it was started with the unity run.